Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Imilab KW66 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. By default on our watch we have only few watch faces. I can show you by waking up the screen on our watch, by pressing the side button, then opening the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the middle of the screen. And here we have list of watch faces on our watch, and as you can see it's only few. But we can install more. To do it we need to open the XIAOMI app on our phone. In the app we need to tap on device. Of course our watch needs to be paired with our phone via the XIAOMI app. In the app tap on dial setting option. Here we have option called dial center, and we can scroll through the list of watch faces and find the watch face you like to install. Basically every watch face on this list is downloadable on your watch. You can also load more by swiping up until you see this on the screen, then releasing, and it's gonna load more watch faces, as you can see. Find the watch face you like, tap on it. For example, I'm gonna tap on this one and then tap on synchronous dial option or button. Wait until the watch face is done downloading and syncing with your watch. And after it's done syncing, it will be applied to your watch, as you can see. And also will appear on the watch face menu, on the list rather, in the watch face menu, when you open it. Here we will have the watch face we installed, as you can see. You can also tap on My Dial option right here in the app to check which watch faces you installed on your watch. And you can also tap on Edit button and select the watch face, then tap Done, and then tap Confirm to basically remove the watch face from this list, like this. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.